In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Amazon using PayPal for 2024. We all know that Amazon is a giant in the online shopping world, yet many wonder how to use their preferred payment method, PayPal, when making purchases. Although Amazon doesn't accept PayPal directly, there's a workaround that involves adding a PayPal-related credit or debit card to your Amazon account. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Start by opening up your browser and going to the Amazon website. If you have it bookmarked, just click on that or type in amazon.com directly into the address bar. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled Account and Lists. Go ahead and click on that. It will open up a drop-down menu that lists several functions and options for managing your Amazon account settings. Next, you need to locate and click on Your Payments. This will take you to the Payment Options section of your Amazon account where all your current payment methods are displayed. It's essentially the hub for managing how you pay for orders on Amazon. Within this section, you'll notice a button that says Add a Payment Method. Click on it and you'll be given several options to add a new method of payment. Here you want to choose the option Add a Credit or Debit Card. This is crucial because you'll be using your PayPal debit card or a card linked to your PayPal account to make payments via Amazon. Now it's time to enter the details of your card. You'll need to type in the necessary information exactly as it appears on your card. This typically includes the card number, the holder's name, the expiration date, and the CVV number, which is usually found on the back of your card. Take your time with this step to make sure everything is entered accurately to avoid any future issues when you go to checkout. After you've entered all the card information, the next step is straightforward. Simply click Add Your Card. Once you do this, the card linked to your PayPal account will be added to your Amazon account, enabling you to use PayPal indirectly for all your Amazon purchases. And there you have it. You've successfully added your PayPal-related card to Amazon, allowing you to enjoy the convenience of shopping while using your preferred payment method. This method is perfect for those who appreciate the flexibility and security PayPal provides, so next time you're ready to check out on Amazon, you'll find your PayPal-related card available to complete your purchase smoothly. Happy shopping!